Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a logo from Canva. So this is our Canva. Yeah, so let's search here. Just click you can click on this plus menu button. Okay, you click on search logo, you click on send. You're going to ask what kind of logo do you want to create. Is it a YouTube channel, a logo sticker, logo or 3D logo? So let's see. So I'm going to create a YouTube logo. Yes, I click on YouTube channel logo, and this is it. Canva will bring out your designs out now. Okay, okay. Our design is loading. Now these are different templates that we can use. You can just customize this different template. So I'm going to customize this now. What do you say? Yes, I'm going to customize this template. Just click on the template you loved. You just customize it very easily. So just click on it, and you can click on this one to replace this one. So I'm going to replace it now and put my own image. It is very easy to design your logo easily on Canva. Just click here and click on this to bring out your photo. So I'll click on my image to go and search the picture that I wanted to use to design my logo. So let's see, I'm going to browse for the picture I'm going to use now. All right, okay, I think my picture, let me check here. Just browse through your phone to check the logo you wanted to do, the picture you wanted to use. All right, let me check here. So I'm going to use something here. All right, let me put this. Yes, let me just put something random. Yes, this is it. Did you see it? Yes. So I'll just change the name. I'll just change the name to edit name to. Alright, just click on this. Click on this that you want to edit. Then you can edit the name. My face. You can just put anything. Just want to put it like that. This is it. You can say very easy. It is very easy. If I want to put any effect, I can put some effect here, like a text. You can put another text. I want to add another text. You just click on the text. Click on okay, effect is coming. So I want to do it something. Okay, let's put this written effect here and cherry. All right, you see the effect now. Let's see. Do you see? It is so lovely. So if I want to add a text box, I can also add a text box. Just click on the text box, and I'm going to put the text box. Let's okay, just use this and to drag it here, and now I'm going to put my name here. I'm going to say okay, Jumi YouTube is it. You can change the text. You can change the text to anything here. If you want to change the text of this, change the color of this, just click on it. Click on it and you come here. This is the font. This is the side. Let's see. Let me change the font for you to see what I'm talking about. You can see this is it. Let me see. Let me change this to popping. You see it's going to change. You can see it is very easy. Let me change it to this one too now. So you can change the font. You can change the size here, the text size here. Okay, no, it says this is the style, the font size to make it more bigger, you can see, and to make it more, also to make more bigger, you can see very lovely. So I'm going to make it very small. So I'm going to put it like this. Then you can change the color of your font. Let's see the color that matches this. I'm going to go to purple. Wow, this is so lovely. So let's change it to white, and this is it. Once you're done, you can just come here, click on download, and you can download your design. So but I'm not going to download this now. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you guys for watching.